Welcome to the Idiot Box. This is Jurassic World Dominion. The movie starts with a fishing trawler being attacked by the Mosasaurus. 4 years have passed since the Lockwood Estate incident. Now dinosaurs live freely into the world, causing mayhem in the cities. The dinosaur population spread across border. A global black market has emerged that exploit these prehistoric creatures. To combat poaching, the government has given collection rights of the dinosaur to a company named Biosyn Genetics. For those who don't know, it is the same company who bribed Nedry to steal the dino embryos back in the first Jurassic Park movie. In Nevada, Claire and Zia rescue a baby dinosaur from an illegal breeding site, and they escape with the help of Franklin. Later, both Franklin and Zia leave Claire as Franklin got a real job where he can help the dinosaurs more effectively. Meanwhile, Owen is helping to relocate stray dinosaurs. Claire and Owen are raising Macy Lockwood in a secret cabin because people are trying to find Macy for her unique genetic makeup. In the nearby woods, Blue the raptor has given birth to a baby raptor all by herself. It's called an immaculate conception. Go look it up. Some poacher has tracked Owen and Macy. Somewhere in Texas, a swarm of giant locusts attack a farm, but 2 kids were able to capture one of them. Dr. Ellie Sattler arrives at the farm, who has been tracking the movements of the locusts. She looks at the destruction caused by the insects. She also notices farm-using biosyn seeds are left untouched while rest of the crops are decimated. Meanwhile, Dr. Alan Grant is still digging up fossils in Utah. He is approached by Ellie, who shows him the giant locust. They determine the locusts were genetically engineered to destroy non-biosyn crops so that the company can control the world's food supply. Ellie says to expose biosyn, they need DNA from one of the locusts at the biosyn lab, and asks Alan to come with her as a witness. Ellie also tells that she received an invitation from Ian Malcolm, who works at the biosyn facility. In the mountains, Macy comes across the baby raptor and names her Beta. Owen goes to look for Blue's nest while Macy goes out of the cabin. Beta is kidnapped by the poachers. Owen watches as Macy is kidnapped. Owen and Claire leave to get Macy, but they are stopped by an enraged Blue. Owen promises Blue to bring her baby back. The duo contacts Franklin, who is working in the CIA, and he helps them with the identity of the poacher who kidnapped Macy. He tells them there is an undercover operation going on in Malta where they plan to catch the poacher, and the duo will get the information there, and tells them not to interfere with the operation. Alan and Ellie arrive at the airstrip and are introduced with Ramsay Cole. They are flown in on helicopter where he tells them about the operations of the facility. The facility has an aerial deterrent system in place so that flying dinosaurs don't attack the chopper, and the dinos are fitted with implant which herd them to safety in case of emergency. At the facility, they meet with Lewis Dodgson, owner of Biosyn. They meet with Ian Malcolm, who secretly gives them access key to the labs. Lewis meets with Henry Wu, who tells him that the locusts are more powerful than anticipated and are not dying, as they should. Lewis tells him that they have the baby raptor and Macy. Macy and Beta are flown separately to Malta. The mercenary who transported Beta looks as Macy is taken away. Owen and Claire meet up with Barry, Owen's old associate from Jurassic World. Barry tells them that the poacher was hired by a smuggler called Santos, and they plan to catch them during the exchange. Barry informs them that there are various black markets around the world, and all the illegal dinosaurs come through here. The mercenary named Kayla come across Claire, who asks her if she has seen Macy, but Kayla says she can't get involved. Owen and the CIA spies on the exchange where Santos hires the poacher for another job of transporting some highly trained atrociraptors. The CIA team goes to arrest the poachers, which causes a gunfight, and the poacher escapes. Owen chases the poacher through the dino market. The truck carrying the atrociraptors crashes in the market. Santos let the dinos loose to kill the team. Claire chases after Santos and manages to catch her. Santos tells her that Macy is taken to the biosyn facility. Santos sicks a dino on Claire. Claire runs from the raptor. Kayla comes to rescue Claire, and they drive a car to escape with the raptors chasing them. Owen helps Barry in trapping one of the dinosaurs. Claire tells Owen that they are leaving, and he leaves on a motorbike, but Santos targets Owen, and a raptor chases him. Kayla and Claire manage to evade the dinos and prepare to leave by plane. Owen is able to board the plane as it takes off. They fly off to Biosyn facility. Wu and Macy talk that Beta is genetically identical to Blue, and she is a clone of Charlotte Lockwood. Wu reveals that it was Charlotte who gave birth to Macy just like Blue, but she died of a genetic disease. And to prevent this from happening with Macy, she altered Macy's genes, and he wants to study Macy and Beta to replicate the process to kill off the locusts. Ellie and Alan sneak into the underground lab and are able to take DNA from one of the locusts. Meanwhile, Macy manages to free Beta from containment, and Lewis sounds the alarm. The alarm causes locusts to swarm Ellie and Alan in the lab. Macy also escapes and meet with Ellie and Alan. In the sky, to prevent the airplane from landing, Lewis shuts off the aerial deterrent system, and a large dinosaur attacks the plane. Claire ejects from the airplane, and the plane crash lands in a frozen river. Alan and others reach the Hyperloop, where Ramsay meets them. It is revealed that it was Ramsay who told Ian about the locusts, and he helps them escape. In the jungle, Claire barely manages to escape a dinosaur on prowl. In the frozen river, Kayla and Owen are chased by another dinosaur but manage to evade the predator. Kayla says that there is a tracking chip on the ejection seat, so they will find Claire. Lewis finds out about Alan and Ellie's theft. Ellie tells Macy that she met her mother Charlotte, and they became friends. Lewis turns off the power to the Hyperloop, leaving the trio stranded in the mining tunnels. Lewis fires Ian and asks Ramsay to escort him off the facility. While trying to find Claire, Owen and Kayla comes across a T-Rex and a Giganotosaurus, the biggest predator on planet. In the tunnels, the trio is chased by some cave-dwelling dinosaurs, but they manage to escape with the help of Ian. Claire comes across a research station where she encounters another dinosaur, but Owen comes up for rescue. Lewis, fearing that the proof Ellie took might expose him, so he orders to burn the remaining locusts. But the insects escape through the ventilation system and are freed into the wild. The burning swarm falls all over the valley, setting fire to Ian's truck, which crashes near the research center. Owen and Claire are reunited with Macy. The two teams are united where they are attacked by the Giganotosaurus. To distract the dinosaur, Ian throws a burning locust in his mouth. Claire shocks the dinosaur in the eye, causing it to retreat. The valley is now on fire. His crew urges Lewis to call the dinosaurs into the building to save them. The herding system is activated and all the dinosaurs march toward the facility. Kayla says that they need to turn on the aerial deterrent system to escape the valley. The group manages to reach the main controls only to find the system offline, and they also meet Ramsay. They divide into two groups, one to start the system and one to find Beta, the baby raptor. Alan, Owen, and Macy come across the raptor and Owen shoots him with a tranquilizer. Claire and Ellie manage to bring the system online while being attacked by the locusts. The deterrent system cuts off power to the other functions of the building, and Lewis is killed off by the dinosaurs in a hyperloop. The group unites again where they also encounter Henry Wu. He begs them to take him with them because he has a solution to the locust problem. Macy convinces the group to bring Wu along. Kayla brings the chopper around, but their path is blocked by a T-Rex. The Giganotosaurus also comes back and the two dinosaurs fight. T-Rex is knocked out by the predator, and the dinosaur turns to the group. Kayla shoots a flare to distract it into fighting another dinosaur. The group manages to get in the chopper, and they see as T-Rex and other dinosaur team up to kill the Giganotosaurus. The group evacuates to safety. In the aftermath, Biosyn is exposed of their locust experiments, and Wu manages to develop a pathogen which can kill the remaining locusts. The Biosyn Valley is designated as a global sanctuary for dinosaurs. Beta is reunited with Blue. The movie ends with the shots of dinosaurs coexisting with other animals of the planet. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.